In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an Instagram story in Canva. First, go ahead and log into your Canva account. Once you're on the home page, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the Create button. Click that and a pop-up window will appear. At the top of this window, you'll see a search bar. Type in Instagram Story. Canva will then show you a variety of pre-sized options and styles that are already optimized for Instagram stories. Take a moment to scroll through these and choose the format that best matches the kind of story you want to create. Then click it to open it in the editor. When the editor loads, you'll notice that the templates panel is already open on the left. This is where you can explore different ready-made layouts. At the top of this panel, there's another search field. Use it if you have a specific style or theme in mind, like minimal, fashion, or sale. Browse through the templates, and when you find one that fits your vision, just click on it and it will automatically apply to your Instagram story canvas. Now it's time to customize. To edit anything in the template, simply click on the element you want to change. For example, if you want to edit some text, double-click on the text box to highlight the words, then start typing your own caption or message. Above the canvas, you'll see a toolbar that lets you change the font style, size, color, alignment, and more. You can also adjust things like transparency, add animation, flip elements, or change their position. For images, shapes, and other graphics, you'll see slightly different options in that same toolbar, but the idea is the same. When an element is selected, you will also see little handles around it. Use these to resize it, or just click and drag to move it around the page. If you want to add more visual elements, look back to the left-hand sidebar. Click on Elements to add shapes, icons, photos, and graphics. Click on Text if you want to add another text box, such as a headline or a call to action. If you have your own photos or videos you'd like to use, click on Uploads. From there, you can upload files from your computer. Once they appear in your Uploads library, just drag and drop them onto your design and resize or reposition them as needed. When you're happy with how everything looks, it's time to save your story. Go to the top right corner and click on Share, then choose Download from the drop-down menu. For a static story, select PNG or JPEG. If your story includes animations or video, choose MP4. Click Download, wait for the file to finish saving, then transfer it to your phone and upload it to Instagram Stories. And that's it. You've created an Instagram story in Canva, ready to share with your audience.